Every morning, you probably reach for the same thing: coffee, juice, maybe just water. But what if the drink in your hand was actually working against your belly fat instead of for it? Today, we're breaking down 12 drinks that actually help torch belly fat, backed by why they work, not just hype. Some of these you already have in your kitchen. Let's start with number 1. 1. Lemon water, warm, first thing in morning. Lemon water gets a lot of hype online, and honestly, most of it's exaggerated. It's not a magic fat melter on its own. What it actually does is kickstart digestion and hydration first thing in the morning, which helps your body process food more efficiently all day. The vitamin C also supports metabolism function at a cellular level. Drink it warm, on an empty stomach, about 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. The real win here isn't the lemon. It's building a habit of hydrating before you eat, which naturally curbs overeating later. 2. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most studied fat loss drinks out there, and for good reason. It contains a compound called EGCG, a catechin that's been shown to boost the rate your body burns calories, especially when paired with some form of movement. 2 to 3 cups a day, ideally between meals, works best. This isn't an overnight fix. It's a slow burn tool that compounds over the 7 days and beyond. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger tea often gets overlooked because it's not as trendy as green tea, but it pulls its own weight. Ginger has a warming, thermogenic effect on the body, meaning it slightly raises your internal temperature and calorie burn, while also calming digestion and bloating, which makes your stomach look and feel flatter almost immediately. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 10 minutes, morning or evening. That immediate de-bloating effect is why this one feels the most noticeable, even in the first few days. 4. Apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most talked about fat burners online, but the truth is more nuanced than the headlines. Research suggests ACV may help slow digestion and blunt blood sugar spikes after meals, which can reduce fat storage triggered by insulin spikes, not directly burn fat like people claim. Mix 1 tablespoon into a large glass of water, always diluted before a meal. Never drink it straight. That's the part the hype videos usually leave out, and it can actually damage your throat and teeth undiluted. 5. Watermelon water. Watermelon water might sound too simple to matter, but that simplicity is exactly the point. It's over 90% water, naturally low calorie, and contains an amino acid called citrulline, which some research links to improve circulation and fat breakdown during activity. Blend fresh watermelon with water and a few mint leaves, strain, and drink chilled. It's one of the most refreshing swaps on this list, which makes it easy to actually stick with. 6. Cucumber mint water. This one is less about burning fat directly and more about what it replaces. Cucumber mint water is low-calorie, hydrating, and satisfying enough that it naturally displaces sugary drinks and juices, which are often the hidden reason belly fat doesn't budge in the first place. Slice cucumber and a few mint leaves into a pitcher. Let it sit for a few hours. Sometimes the biggest change isn't adding something new, it's what you stop drinking. 7. Pineapple water. Pineapple water is having a moment online right now, and it's not just for the taste. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme linked to reduced bloating and improved digestion, which is a big part of why your stomach can look flatter within days of adding it. Blend or steep fresh pineapple chunks in water for a few hours, then drink chilled. This one tends to get people's attention fastest because it actually tastes like a treat. 8. Turmeric water, golden water. Turmeric's rise in the wellness world isn't just a trend. There's real substance behind it. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties, and chronic inflammation is closely linked to stubborn belly fat storage that doesn't respond to diet alone. Mix a half teaspoon of turmeric with warm water and a pinch of black pepper, which helps your body actually absorb it. That black pepper step isn't optional. Most people skip it and lose most of the benefit. 9. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice has become a staple in the fitness and wellness space, and it's easy to see why once you know what it does. It supports digestion and gut health and a well-functioning gut plays a bigger role in bloating and belly fat retention than most people realize. Mix 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice into a glass of water once a day. Make sure it's the pure, food-grade kind, not the topical gel version. 10. Grapefruit water. Grapefruit has a reputation as a diet food that goes back decades, and there's a reason it's stuck around. It's linked to improved insulin sensitivity, and a natural bitterness may help curb sugar cravings when you drink it before meals. Squeeze half a grapefruit into water and drink it 20 minutes before a meal. One caution worth knowing, grapefruit can interact with certain medications, so it's worth checking if that applies to you. 11. Ajwain, carom seed, water. This one rarely shows up in Western content, but it's a staple in traditional routines for exactly this purpose. Ajwain water is known for easing bloating and improving digestion, and a flatter-feeling stomach is often the fastest visible change people notice in the first week. Boil a teaspoon of ajwain seeds in water, strain, and drink warm. If your goal is visible change fast, this and the ginger tea are usually the first ones people notice working. 12. Chia seed water. Saving one of the most filling options for last. Chia seeds expand in water and form a gel-like texture that keeps you full for hours, which means fewer cravings and less mindless snacking, the real hidden driver of stubborn belly fat. Soak a tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water for 15 to 20 minutes before drinking. This is less a burn fat drink and more a stop overeating drink, and that distinction matters more than people think. 12 drinks, but really just one theme running through all of them. Hydration, digestion, and blood sugar control matter more for belly fat than any single magic ingredient. None of these will melt fat overnight by themselves. Paired with consistency over the 7 days, that's where the real change shows up. Which one of these are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want part 2 with 12 more, make sure you're subscribed, because this is only the beginning.